Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of geography at level 6. Today we will start chapter number 1, Earth as a planet, and the topic is universe and its components. The objectives of this lesson is discuss the universe and its components and recognize the sun as a star and source of energy for planets. Before moving to the lesson, let's discuss some important terms. These are components, main piece or part, massive explosion, loud sound of blast, Big Bang model according to which the universe was created from a huge explosion. The next word is galaxy, a system of billions of stars, gases and dust. Astronomer, person who studies astronomy. Orbit, course or path, spin to move round, gaseous material, and revolve to move around. Dear students, according to the scientist, the creation of universe resulted from a massive explosion about 15 to 20 billion years ago. This is called Big Bang. The universe is a combination of billion of galaxies comprised of matter, and the Milky Way galaxy is one of these. It is a collection of billions of stars, gases and clouds of dust, and it is estimated that there are almost 400 billion stars in Milky Way galaxy. According to the astronomer, the sun is one of the billion of stars of the Milky Way galaxy. 8 other planets revolve around the sun, and this is called solar system, and our earth is also a part of this solar system, which revolve around the sun in their respective orbits. In the next students, we will discuss about universe and its components. Dear students, our next topic is solar system and earth. The solar system is composed of 8 planets which revolve around the sun in their respective orbits, as we have read in a previous page. This system originated about 5 billion years ago when a cloud of gases and dust began to spin. This gaseous material began to cool with the passage of time and appeared in the shape of solar system. In the center originated the sun, while the circulating gases and dust became planets which became to revolve around the sun. Here in this picture, as you can see, this is the center, the sun is here, and 8 other planets are revolving in their respective orbits. There are some asteroids could also be seen. Dear students, first there were 9 planets in our solar system, but in August 2006, Pluto was eliminated from the list of planets, and now there are only 8 planets in our solar system. Dear students, now this is the time for your assessment. You are supposed to read the whole lesson, and after that you will draw this diagram of this solar system on A4 page neatly and clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.